G'day and welcome to another Aussie Traveller video. Today I'm going to be showing you through the 110 watt fixed solar panel. Now this is a high efficiency monocrystalline solar panel with a heavy duty anodised aluminium frame. On top of that, you've got a 2 metre long lead that comes out of the back of the solar panel connected to an Anderson plug, as well as your 10 amp waterproof solar regulator. This has also got an inline fuse with all your Anderson plugs already connected. Then you're followed by all your mounting accessories. So you've got mounting plates and all your nuts, bolts, screws ready to rock and roll for whatever roof rack you're going to be fixing it to. Okay, so now it's business time. I'm going to mount this up. Well, there you have it, solar panel, all installed, done and dusted. All I need to do now, get myself out into this beautiful sunlight to throw the charge into the batteries, and off I go. If you need any more information on any tech, specs or pricing, jump onto the Aussie Traveller website, and apart from that, happy travels.